Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put apps on split screen mode on LENOVO Yoga Book 9. In order to put apps on split screen mode, it actually is pretty simple. So you just need to open at least two apps, up to four. And in order to put it on split screen, technically you can slide it all the way up and select one of these modes, but I don't like this feature. I'd rather just slide it all the way to the right to put it on the right side or on the left as well. You can also put it in a corner by dragging it to the corner or to another corner, however you'd like. And then if you have more than one app opened, it can be the same type of app or another one, but just any types of windows that can be resized. And now you can drag this one to here. And let's say I want to put one over here. And unfortunately, sliding all the way up or all the way down won't help you. So if you want to put something horizontally, then you should, let's open maybe another instance of the file explorer, but I could also open anything else. First, make this window active, then use a keyboard. You need to use a keyboard to actually put a window up or down. And I'm gonna enable the virtual one, but you could also use the physical one. And all you need to do is click on Windows, Alt, and one of the arrows. So I'm gonna click on the up arrow, and now I can see that the window is here on the top. And this is how you resize these windows to make them in split screen. What you can also do is take a window, and this is as a bonus, you can hover it over this symbol right here, which lets you move that window to another screen. You can also select an arrangement or just move it casually to the full screen, and now you can see it is fully moved to the bottom screen. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.